loves me.
Better. It's a good puppy.
Now, if he gets on you, you shake him off.
All right, you gotta shake him off.
Yeah.
Ezra, say hey.
Hey.
Love you.
Hey.
All right, ready? Let's go. Come with me.
Dad, can I do this instead?
Well, can you see anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. See anything?
What?
See anything?
No.
Not yet. Watch out for the ants.
What?
Watch out for the ants.
No.
Oh, look at the bird. You see it? We just scared that bird.
What?
We just scared that bird.
Why?
Because we walked on him.
Dad,
What?
let's go that way.
Okay. Look, there's another bird. Just flew out.
Did I take a picture of it?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Here, let me go first. Huh?
I took a picture of it.
Good job.
Be a squirrel.
That was a big bird. Look at all those birds. You see that?
Mm-hmm. It shows me where I'm going.
Yeah.
It says 25 meters long. 25 long. I'm just giving this a leaf for Mom.
Okay.
Here, Dad, hold this leaf. 20 meters long. Go.
No squirrels yet.
What?
You don't see any squirrels yet?
No. See.
Where'd you say you see a squirrel?
On the top of this tree, that's 100 meters long all the way to space.
You saw a squirrel on top of a tree that's 100 meters long all the way up to space?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I already did.
Oh, did we just miss it?
Yes.
Okay, maybe next time.
Hold it in, okay? Don't reel it in.
Get ready to reel it in.
Well, you gotta leave it in the water first.
They don't catch one. If they catch another one, we'll go over there, okay?
Wait, you gotta wait for it. Leave it in there.
Oh, we had a bite.
Look at it moving. Hang on. Hang on. Gotta be patient.
1, 2, 6 down.
Yeah, we might need to see if you lost your worm. That's a good size one, isn't it?
Stuck. It was so heavy, huh?
Yeah, can I pet it?
That's the bad thing about netting catfish.
Can I pet it?
No, a catfish will hurt you, make you sick.
Oh.
You see that fin? If it gets you sick.
That's a good size one, isn't it?
Well,
Let's see.
oh, I'm sorry.
Pretty good size. Why are you making a face like that? There you go, that's better. All right, come on.
That was my...
Ooh, they shouldn't have left. I got me one. Another good size one. Hey, come look, I caught another catfish.
Okay.
Look in the bucket.
Bucket. 2 catfishes?
Yeah. You like them?
Yes.
You gonna catch a third one?
Yes. This way.
Yep. Look at me. Love you.
Love you. Hey, did you let a bite?
Not yet. I'll tell you though.
Okay.
You like him?
Yes.
Is he long?
Yes.
All right. You gonna put him in the bucket? All right. Say bye, Catfish. Don't touch him.
Daddy, I want you to use the pliers, and I use them with the one.
All right. No. Don't touch him. He'll hurt you. All right. Let's drop him in. Now, how many do we have?